So the journey began probably close to 20 years ago now in the lab of Dr. Michael Hayden, where I was a clinical research fellow, and we made a very interesting discovery, a genetic mechanism that rendered their HDL cholesterol levels almost undetectable. Pfizer, one of the big pharmaceutical companies, called us up and asked us to partner on the program. Spun out Xenon at that time. We were called Xenon Genetics in the early days. And from that really developed, I would say, a leading platform in gene discovery, which was the early basis of the company. So really, I figured out we were on the right track at Xenon when we made a very interesting discovery about 10 years ago. Children who didn't feel pain, we studied, and we found a particular mutation in a gene that, when defective, rendered these kids completely unable to perceive pain. And so we started as a company to really get interested in these sodium channels, the function of these channels in the nervous system. And from that has allowed us to build what is, I believe today, the leading capability in terms of small molecule drug discovery targeting ion channels in the industry anywhere in the world today. I remember my mother telling me when I was a kid, I taught myself to learn to ride a bike. I would spend days coming into the house in the evening just battered and bruised, falling off the bike and bruised all over, but eventually got it. You know, I think ultimately what drives me at Xenon, however, has been the goal of the company. This is really to develop novel medicines for people with devastating neurological diseases. And as a physician and scientist, this is very, very important to me. It's about the quality of the drugs we can bring to market and the lives that we can improve. And we'll be a successful company if we do that well. And I really believe that that drives everyone at the company today. And it gets us through what are many very challenging times in our business. This award is really important for the company. What this deal enables, I think, is the ability to parallel track many different products, which we couldn't have done on our own, to enhance the likelihood of getting these products to the market for children with severe early onset epilepsies and adults with very refractory severe epilepsies. And that, for me, the recognition of that is really, really important, and I know it will be to the team as well.